Ha? Gaano kabobo itong si Dan Fernandez? Pahiya ka no? Akala mo kasi alam mo lahat eh.
Are you a commissioner during that time? Yes or no?
What date, Mr. Chair?
You know very well kung kailan ka naging commissioner. Ba't ako tatanungin mo?
I was never commissioner, Mr. Chair.
Ano ka doon?
Officer in charge.
Officer in charge.
Ano bang diferensya ng OIC at saka OIC Commissioner? Mr. Ledesma, you answer the questions properly.
Yes, Mr. Chair. The commissioner
And you wait for the acknowledgement of the chairman before you answer.
they were charged, Mr. Chair, with working without visas and permits.
Oo nga eh, pero bakit nyo nga dinismiss eh? Tapos pinakawalan nyo yung 249 eh.
It's a matter of the rules of evidence, Mr. Chair. That's why they were released.
Wala na nga silang AEP. Di ba? Sinasabi na ng Dole, 19 lang ang AEP. Yung 249 na dinismiss nyo, pinakawalan nyo. Wala silang AEP. In other words, kung wala silang AEP, hindi nyo sila pwede bigyan ng 9G visa. Correct? Yes or no?
We do not issue 9Gs, Mr. Chair. The BSI.
So anong in-issue sa kanila?
The 9G visas are issued by the Board of Commissioners through the legal division.
Of course.
Not the BSI.
At dumadaan yan sa Board of Inquiries, of Special Inquiry. Don't fool me. Dumadaan sa Board of Inquiries yan. Dumadaan sa inyo.
Yes.
Yes.
Employment permits, Mr. Chair, during my time there at the Bureau of Immigration, we do not process 9Gs.
Hindi nyo pinaprocess ng 9Gs because nag-approve ng commissioner.
The 9G visa applications are processed by the legal division.
Legal division and then, saan siya dadating? Dadating siya sa...
Bobo. See? Ang akala siguro ni Dan Fernandez, alam niya lahat ng pasikot-sikot at ng proseso. Hoy! Hindi niyo hawak lahat at hindi mo alam lahat. Pahiya ka, boy, no? Napahiya ka no? Tatanga-tanga, nakakatawa talaga. Imaginin mo, di ba? Yan yung problema. Yan yung problema kasi hindi kayo nakikinig. Yan ang problema kasi kayo palagi ang nasusunod. Yan ang problema kasi ang akala nyo kung ano yung mga ipoformulate nyong mga sasabihin, yun ang nangyayari. Which is wrong. Ha? Wrong. Makinig naman kayo sa mga witness and mga pinagdadadala nyo dyan sa kongreso, pinagtatatanong nyo, tapos pag sumagot at hindi nyo nagustuhan ng sagot, mali na agad sa inyo. Sis, ikaw Dan Fernandez, mag-artista ka na lang, ikaw ang mali.